Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick video showing you how I dye my hair from green to brown. The green in my hair is from me bleaching my hair and dyeing it blue so many times, and once the blue fades it leaves behind a sometimes pretty green, but I'm just very tired of it right now. I'm going to be using a Dora hair color, and that's what I always use when I dye my hair. The reason I chose this particular color is because I wanted a more natural looking hair color. Also, I chose this color brown because it has red in it, and the red will help neutralize the green in my hair. Stay tuned for my next video, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope it's helpful. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification button, and I'll see you next time. Bye.